Welcome to Building with Bud. Today we've got a little project on the go. We've got to put a pre-stressed concrete lintel over a doorway we've got to eventually knock out. And what we found, as per usual with old places, we've took some of the brickwork for the lintel and above it that's fallen away, so we need to get that repaired fairly quick. So let's have a little look and see what we've got to do. As per usual these old places, brickwork is in good condition, but you can see that's miles out of level. So if I level it and you show this end, you can see they've got the big gap there. Now that would be the head of the doorway under there. So what we'll do, we'll compromise. We'll nick a little bit here and then a little bit when we put the plaster to it. Right, so first of all, get him on there. Right. Now each end, we'll give it 6 inches bearing. So this one has just got to go that way a little bit. There we go. 6 inches there. Just over 6 inches there. So let's get the level on it now. See what we got. It's not fully there, but that's as good as we'll get for now. The trouble is with these old places, they just move over the years. Let's get that around that. Eventually, we'll put another one in there to block up the inside, but we'll put this one in for now, then let it go off for a few days before we think about that. Right. Often it's best to just throw it in there. Got to really squeeze it in so we fill the joints right up. Cram it until we can't get any more in. Okay, so now let's get a brick. Have a little look. These are the ones we took out and cleaned up. We'll get it in there. A little bit on there. So, put a little bit on there, like that. It's not pretty, just got to get it on there and get it in. So we'll get that like that. Push and squeeze it in there. So now keep squeezing it in there. And what we'll do, once this go off after a couple of days, we'll get some slate and put in these joints here. Nip it all together. What we're after the moment is make sure there's nothing more collapses. Very nice. Just cram it in as much as we can. Really force it sometimes. I've got to pray, it's about making the structure straight. Okay, next brick. And what we do is, rather than lay the bricks all in one go, I'll get that on there. Scrape that off. Make sure we're somewhere flush. That's good. And now what I'll cram the next brick in, because you can get your campo in there. But if you brick this piece, if you've bricked that, you've got nowhere to go. So let's just try it dry, make sure it's got to work. Yeah, we better get that in there. So let's get some water. Put some on there. Now, to get a little on there best we can, we'll make it like wedge shape. So we can sort of push it in, see if we can get that in there. There we go. So there's not about looking pretty, there's about making it structurally solid. There's all to be plastered. And avoid any more collapse. Sometimes these things will just go. If you look now, look, you get my trowel and just make a little group here, straight in the concrete. And what I'll do now is I'll get that on there. Oh, and that'll just push down. Good. That cross joint up. Those little bits there, look, see that? Sometimes you land, fall down, you try and put your brick down, and that's where, pull your ear out. Right, that's good. Got it sort of halfway done. I'll get this brick, I'll get that one in there, get that piece, and then we'll put that piece in last. So I'll get this one in next. That's gone in there very nice. Good. Get it right in the back. Last bit. So look. Looks good. There we go. See, we've bricked that in, picked all of this up. That bit there, we'll put slate in there when this all goes hard. The lintel's in place, so we won't have to put no anchors through, we knock the next bit through. In a few days' time, we can take this piece out. Nothing pretty, but it does the job. Boom, baby. There. Job's a good one.